Hey guys, welcome back. I just went grocery shopping at Sam's and I'm going to show you what I got. I had these Lance toasty peanut butter crackers. The Lance brand is my favorite, so you can tell they really are toasty. Like, look at that color. I got the Sam's Club thin and crispy pizza. We made one already and it was really good. And then John picked these out. Flatbread chicken melts, some White Castle, and then some Ensures. This doesn't have clean ingredients whatsoever and it's really high in sugar, but I love how Ensure tastes. I've been wanting to try these pretzel peanut butter bite things. I see them all the time in a lot of supermarkets and they are really good. I already tried them. Then I got these cereal dispensers. They were on sale, $4 off, so they were like around $9 for three. They're the Rubbermaid brand. I was so happy about this. Now this here, I'm so glad that Sam carries it. It's like almost like an all natural Gatorade. So this here, it only has 1 gram of sugar. It doesn't have any artificial sweeteners. It has a little bit of coconut water, and it's so tasty. But if you're in the market for like a Gatorade substitute, check these out, the Raw Organics. I got these tomatoes. They're called Flavor Bombs. They're cherry tomatoes on the vine, and they really are flavor bombs. It's like tomato flavor times 2. And then I'm gonna try these smoothie bowls. This is new. I've never tried it. It's 4 bowls and granola packets, and you just thaw it out and eat it. So I'm just gonna give it a try. I got this frozen pasta dinner. I've never tried it, but I need help with dinners because sometimes you just don't feel like cooking, and I really do cook like breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day from scratch. And sometimes I'm just not in the mood to. Really quick, I just opened this up, the smoothie bowls, and it comes in a bowl already. I thought it was gonna be like a little packet that I have to put in a bowl myself. And then these are the granola packets. I love it even more now because it comes just pre-packaged already. I hope these taste so good. Got some ground chicken. I'm gonna make meatballs with this. Frozen blueberries and strawberries for smoothies. And this is another exciting find. I got some organic grass-fed ground beef for $4.88 a pound. Here's an overview of everything I got again. If you have anything that you get at Sam's that you think I should try, please let me know. And I will see you guys tomorrow with my Walmart haul. Hey guys, it's the next day. Let me show you what I got from Walmart. I was so excited to see this Cocoa Puffs with Lucky Charms together. Look at this. I mean, I don't like how big this bag is because honestly, it's going to take forever to go through, but I just had to try that. I got overnight diapers, wipes, Aquaphor. This lip balm is so good. I've been using it for years. Albacore tuna, maduros, tostones, chicken breast, Italian style breadcrumbs, tomato sauce. I've never tried this sun-dried tomato Alfredo. I hope it's good. Tomato sauce, sazonador total. I remember I used to use this a lot, and it's been forever since I bought it. So I was like, let me try it again. I got some OJ and evaporated milk for some morir soñando. I'm in the mood for it. And then I got this for my daughter, some Kicks, so she can eat them like dry. Rice Krispies, I like to give this to her with milk. It's really easy to eat. Some jalapeno chips for myself. And then I also got this for her, which she's never tried. I've never tried this, but I figured it'd be good to have in the pantry for, just in case we're in a rush. I also got her the Annie's crackers, which she absolutely loves these. And also the white cheddar one she's tried and liked also. I've gotten her these before, the Beech Nut Fruity Oat Bars. I like them because there's no added sugar. I got these for her, which I've never tried personally, but the ingredients list was super clean. I also got her some cheese sticks that I plan to cut up in little bites for her. I got this for her because this is really easy for her to eat and it keeps her eating vegetables. This is also for her. I've never tried this, but I like that it's going to be easy. Just steam it in the microwave. Some sweet potatoes. And I got a couple things of broccoli, spinach, which I just like to toss into eggs, pasta, beans, anything. Avocados. I got some wonton strips because I'm gonna be making some salads. I have some romaine hearts here with this kale slaw. I'm gonna like mix these two together. Add that, some dressing. I got mozzarella sticks, quick oats, peach snapple, my favorite. These rolls from Walmart, you should give them a try. They smell so good. They taste so good. They're called the hard rolls, and it's from the Walmart brand. They're so good. You also need to try this. I made my cornbread stuffing video with this. This is amazing. If you haven't tried it and you like cornbread, you need to buy that. So I got some kale, carrots and celery. This is gonna be for smoothies with those frozen fruit that I bought from Sam's. I'm gonna put all of that in the blender. Some soda crackers. I got some Lara bars, the apple pie flavor. I haven't tried that one. This ham, well, this is turkey, but the Hormel Natural Choice. It's pretty clean ingredients. Milk, sponges, paper towels, and whole wheat bread. And here's the overview. Lastly, I stopped in at Aldi and I got 2 eggs. These were new, buffalo blue cheese. I already dug into them and they are so good. Even though I'm not the biggest fan of blue cheese, but it just sounded good and it's actually good. I got some baked barbecue, some frozen corn. I usually get canned corn, but I was just, I guess, curious to try frozen corn. I got these little raviolis. I plan on giving this to my daughter, just having it on hand for easy dinners. Grapes. I got bananas and then these random 3 bananas because they were all so green and I want smoothies like tomorrow. So these were the only ones that were a little bit close to being ready. I got some milled flax seeds to add into smoothies, oatmeal, pancake mix. You can add it to anything. These broccoli bites. I've gotten the sweet potato bites and my daughter liked them, so I'm gonna try these out. The ingredients are, you know, really simple: broccoli, potatoes, onion, expeller, pressed canola oil, potato flakes, egg whites, arrowroot, and sea salt and garlic. And lastly, some strawberries and this bread that I'm obsessed with, the reduced sodium sprouted bread, which all of us eat here, including my daughter, and she really likes it. That's everything I got at Aldi. That's it for this grocery haul. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.